I'm Gabriella Rossetti. I'm from Bristol originally, and I'm studying for a PhD in high altitude health and performance. I did my undergraduate degree here in sports science outdoor activities, and also my master's degree here as well. I did a master's by research, also within the extremes research group. I'm involved in helping organise the undergraduate students, and we've had quite a few sort of medics that have come to sort of volunteer to help us out with the study. So a lot of training them up and sort of the day-to-day running of the project. And then obviously on the expedition, I'll be sort of doing that same job that I've done in Bangor out there as well. I just find it really interesting. I personally find how the human body manages to cope with sort of these extreme environments and extreme conditions that we shouldn't really be putting ourselves in. How the body manages to sort of cope with that and overcome those difficulties I find very interesting. And I think particularly with the high altitude, as soon as I sort of saw some pictures and videos of people setting up labs and, you know, taking blood samples and hooking people up to machines at 5,000 metres in the mountains in these sort of amazing environments, I just sort of saw that and went, I want to do that. That to me is basically as cool as science can get. So this is sort of all new to me. I've never been on one of these expeditions before. I have done some field research before. My master's project was working with the army. So there's some field research there, and on my outdoor activities undergraduate degree there's an expedition module which gives the students a chance to go away and run an expedition and do some research on that expedition as well. Sort of the concept of doing research expeditions I'm sort of familiar with, but absolutely nothing like this, and I've not got, you know, loads and loads of climbing experience or mountaineering experience. I've played around in Snowdonia since I came here, but that's about it really. I'm really looking forward to just getting out there and, you know, experiencing that environment. Like I said, I've not done that much before, but also the research for me, setting up that lab, getting some data from that sort of amazing environment, and it's going to be a little bit stressful, but very exciting and well worth it. I think they're absolutely fantastic. That's why I've stayed here for my undergraduate, master's and PhD. They're just, the opportunities here are great. Like I said, you get to go on these expeditions and do some research, and you also have the facilities we have here, you know, the hypoxic chamber. We also have another environmental chamber where we can control sort of extreme cold and heat and humidity as well. And yeah, I've absolutely loved every minute of being at Bangor, and I don't want to leave just yet. Doing the outdoor activities course as my undergraduate degree, you get taken out into Snowdonia every week. You get to go kayaking, you get to try out sort of ice climbing and all sorts of things that you just don't get from any other science degrees that I know of.